Hello, doctor. I hope you all are doing good. This is not the right question, maybe. I know how the brain must be there, boiling just before NEET examination. This is the most crucial and tough phase in any doctor's career, the transition from UG to PG. I'm here to give you some simple, easy tips that you can follow to improve your performance in your exam. I'm not here to give you study tips or revision tips. I know for that you must have got enough guidance from your seniors or professors. All your 6 to 8 months of hard work is one thing. How you deal with your mind, how you keep your energy levels few hours or 1-2 days before examination is a different skill that you need to learn. So I'm here to give you simple tips. Follow this mnemonic SEE. S for sleep, get adequate amount of sleep. It doesn't matter how many hours you study now, that phase is over. Now you're in a revision phase. Okay? So there is no point in staying awake the whole night because it is an entrance examination. You don't know from where the question will come. You get proper schedule for the last few hours, how much to study, but again, you also need to plan how much amount of sleep that you need to get. At least have 8 to 10 hours of adequate amount of sleep, especially one day before examination. Sleep by 9:30 or 10 p.m. Number 2, eating right food, avoiding the wrong food is also very essential, because there are certain kinds of foods that will harm your brain and memory power, like high refined sugary foods or trans fat foods, any kind of junk food like pizza, burger, cookies, hot dog. Please try to avoid them. I know we will have so much of cravings due to anxiety. We try to grab any amount of available food that is near us, and we try to have it. Avoid that. Be conscious of what you eat in few hours before examination, and avoid too much of coffee. Don't have these energy drinks like Red Bull and all. They will keep you awake for some time, but the long-term effects are very bad. Instead, have fresh fruit juices. You can have apple, banana, avocado, blueberries, anything of that sort. You can have lots of green tea, that is definitely good, and keep yourself hydrated. At least have 3 to 4 liters of water per day in the next 2 to 3 days. Okay? Having right amount of food at right amount of time is very essential and crucial also before examination. And third is exercise. I know I'm not asking you to go and hit gym now. That is not what I mean. Get aerobic activity. You need to keep your heart rising and blood pumping to improve that blood circulation. You must be sedentary for all these 6 to 8 months without any exercise, just sitting in front of books for hours and hours and hours together. But it is crucial that you need to have some aerobic activity for your brain to function properly. So wherever you are, just pull your mat or get onto the ground and do some push-ups, do squats, do jumping jacks, do 30 seconds to 1 minute plank. Anything which will raise your heart rate. Do it at least for 5 to 6 minutes. That's all I'm asking you to do. No need to do even beyond 10 minutes. But it is crucial that if you follow these 3 tips, getting adequate rest of 8 to 10 hours, eating right food and avoiding the wrong food, and getting right amount of aerobic activity, that is exercise, is very essential. It will definitely improve your performance during your examination. And again, this is just another exam. It is definitely a very, very important exam, but don't think this will decide your entire life. It does partially, but this is not the end of it. I hope you all the very best and wish you all great success. Thank you.